Kemboy Law Advocates was established in 2006. Before that, I was practicing as an advocate employed by a law firm, and thereafter I was also a partner in another law firm. What I experienced in those two working environments were certain limitations in terms of how do you grow a practice. At that time, the two law firms that I was working with only dealt with insurance claims. And so after some time, you feel that the legal practice is not challenging as it should. The quantum of relief that you would get, at the end of the day as an advocate, I was getting to a stage where it was becoming too routine. And I needed something more exciting, something more interesting, and something that I could drive, to the level that would satisfy me. So that's how we established Kemboy Law Advocates. Kemboy Law Advocates provides an array of services, legal services. We deal with dispute resolutions mainly. We provide corporate services, legal services, and we know the law. The clients that we deal with are very happy because we are able to work around the options that would respond to their needs, and we keep them updated. We hold strategy meetings and we agree on where we are going and how to achieve the result. The legal profession in East Africa generally now is expanding in terms of services. We have oil and gas that has just come up. We have renewable energy. We have aviation. We also have the blue economy. So we see ourselves strategically moving in the direction of expanding into those new frontiers. And so I have no doubt in mind that the next decade is going to be very exciting for us at Kemboy Law. There are many highlights for the time that I've been in practice, but I would probably just pick two. One is that we were instructed to represent the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya in a civil case. It was a pleasant surprise that a Chief Justice could entrust us with that kind of work. We did it successfully, and so in terms of calling it a highlight, I think there are very few advocates who have represented Chief Justices in the world. The second one is that there was a case at the International Criminal Court where, again, our firm alongside another law firm were instructed to represent a client. And as much as it was a difficult, very challenging environment because it's a foreign jurisdiction, they apply a different system of law, we were successful in the sense that we managed to get our client out at the pre-trial stage. So those are the highlights. There is a saying in some African tradition that a new broom sweeps well, but an old one knows all corners. So for the young advocates, there are no shortcuts. You have to work hard, you have to stay focused, you have to be patient, but you have to also have mentors so that you learn from the experience of the older advocates, but at the same time, you can be able to push yourself and be what you can be.